Ito mga kababayan, no? Good news. Pangulong Bongbong Marcos nakipag-meeting po sa Samsung Electromechanics. Yan po, good news na naman yan mga kababayan. Kapag nagtagumpay po dito ang Pangulo natin sa gagawin nilang meeting dito sa Samsung, nako po, magkakaroon na naman tayo ng pagawaan ng mga Samsung, di ba? At panoorin natin mga kababayan itong good news ng ating Pangulo dito. Tignan nyo kung paano kasipag ang Pangulo natin. Panoorin natin.
President is very much pro foreign investors and foreign investments kasi napaka-importante po ito para sa ating bansa because as I always say, aside from the income that it generates for the country, it's the jobs that it provides, bulk jobs po at saka yung mga trabaho na binibigay ng mga companies na to medyo on the higher level, so that means magandang pasweldo, so napaka-importante sa ating Pangulo. So of course may mga pull aside meetings tayo during this APEC 2025. So, maraming naging positive feedback, of course, from companies that have already been in the Philippines, that are already in the Philippines, and those that signify their entry to the Philippines. So, we met with SEMCO, which is the first recipient of the Create More law. So, maganda po ito, malaking investment po nila, no? And then, after that is the DNL, which signifies their entry to the Philippines for technology. So, they're really just actually already coordinating with another Philippine company to make sure that at least matupad na tong pagpasok nila sa Pilipinas. And of course, yung Hanwha, which again is also signifying their entry to the Philippines, especially in the industry of shipbuilding, which is actually very important sa atin, from, of course, the ships in the Navy to all the way to the commercial ships. So, importante po ang ganitong mga investors kasi just by looking at just by knowing how big they want to invest and how much they want to invest, makikita mo malaking job opportunities ito para sa ating mga kababayan. So, maganda po yung mga pull aside meetings natin dito sa APEC. So, not just the APEC meetings, which is actually strengthening the relationship of the Philippines with the different APEC countries, na pull aside rin po ang Pangulo para makahikayat ng mga investors dito sa ating bansa. And to also thank the companies that have already existing investments in our country. So, thank you. Maganda po ang naging meeting dito sa APEC 2025 here in Busan, Korea.
Yan ang good news mga kababayan. Malaking tulong po ito sa mga kababayan po natin dito sa Pilipinas dahil napakalaki po ng mga sahod dito. Diba? At hindi na sila pupunta pa sa Busan, Korea para lang makakuha ng malalaking sweldo mga kababayan. Sa Pilipinas na po dadalhin ang Samsung. Alright mga kababayan, palapakan natin.